Welcome back to Bad Attitude C10, Sick Week 2023, Bradenton Burnouts.
In the words of Alex, that is my clip, and I go back. Right now, if you're in quarantine meeting, 850 or faster, top 3 in your class. You need to stay in the pits for right now. Bill Spangler coming back around with the Ford LTD. This is the defending Cruise Out Your Own winner. He's coming back for a second shot against Chris Price. This guy was looking for a gentle staff ground walker. I'm sure many people have those in their spirit box, but here he is. And on a decent lick right hand side, too. 953 at 142. 969 at 134 for Spangler. How about a pair of 6-second cars in the water box? Possible side-by-side sixes at over 200 miles an hour. Could happen right here, right now, ladies and gentlemen. Alex Taylor and Steve Morris. Both of them drag and drive veterans. Both of them longtime veterans of this game. They decided that they wanted to go to the Getting the money on fire would be a lot easier. Day 2 of Sick Week, brought to you by Gear Vendors Overdrive.
Alright guys, that's going to do it for this one. The track was down for cleanup for a while, so we're going to head out and go to the Don Garlett's Museum of Drag Racing. We're going to do a several part video of that, so we'll catch you soon. Please like and subscribe.